Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm making my hubby some black pearl dominoes today with domino molds that I found on Resin. First, I'm going to do some dusting with some black mica powder. I prefer this method because there's less movement between the black mica powder and the resin when you're trying to implement this design. Now I'm going to add some black acrylic paint to some resin and then I'm going to fill them in. It took me about 9 ounces to complete a set. .90 proof alcohol to get them bubbles out. Now I'm going to fill in the dots with some metallic gold. I decided not to thin it out because I tried several trials to thin it out and it just looked a whole lot better with just leaving it thick. And in 3, 2, 1, thanks for watching.